Makita Metal Hole Punch Kit is a tool for punching holes in metal. It includes a punch and die set, adapter, and case. Can be used with Makita impact drivers, suitable for sheet metal, aluminum, and other soft metals. The Rotary Brush Kit is a tool for cleaning chimneys. It connects to any cordless drill and removes buildup and creosote quickly. Kit includes rods, brush, and protective sheets. Use with an 18 volts cordless drill. Keep your chimney clean and safe. The Makita 11-piece Thru wrench system is a tool for long threaded rod. It has angled tooth pattern for extra grip, hex jaw design, and laser etched scale for easy adjustments. Ideal for professionals who need a reliable and efficient tool. The Rofrost Turbo .290 is an environmentally friendly unit from ROTHENBERGER that can freeze heating and water pipes using .290 refrigerant. It comes in 1.14 and 2 versions and includes flexible hoses for easy use in tight spaces. An accompanying app helps determine the minimum freezing time for safe and efficient operation.